selected a clean, flat, paved surface to break in our engine. It'll make the procedure much easier. You'll need about 200 or 300 feet of space for this. We've already filled the tank back in the workshop with 20% top fuel. Remember, you don't need to use special break-in fuel. For the first tank of fuel, we're going to drive the model with the body off. We'll reinstall it later for the second tank of fuel. Now remember, always turn on the transmitter first, and then turn on the receiver switch in the model. I already cleared my frequency and tested the range of the radio earlier. Operate the controls on the transmitter to be sure everything's working properly. Make sure the throttle is in neutral position and the carburetor is at idle. Now grab the Easy Start controller and plug it in. The TRX 2.5 engine usually does not have to be primed with fuel. Simply press down the button on the Easy Start and watch for fuel to move through the fuel line into the carburetor. Also, notice the LEDs and make sure both are lit green. If the fuel doesn't reach the carburetor after 5 seconds, prime the engine by briefly covering the exhaust outlet with your finger, just until the fuel is visible in the fuel line. Watch carefully though. If the engine's primed too long, it'll flood with fuel and lock up. Once fuel reaches the carburetor, the engine should start and idle. Once the engine starts, disconnect the Easy Start and begin driving.